Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CSGO phrases problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, what you have to do first, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, and after that once you're here, check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find, and then go to background apps. Now check for updates. Turn off all those applications, and then now you will need to check for updates for your graphics card. Go to GeForce Experience and then go to drivers, and here click check for updates, and now just wait, and if you find any update, just download it and then install it and restart your PC. Your problem must be fixed. Just make sure to close all the applications that you don't need here. And that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.